Backend web development involves the server side of a web application, focusing on how the website works, manages data, and interacts with the front end. While the front end deals with the visual aspects and user interface of a website, the backend is all about what happens behind the scenes. Key concepts in backend web development. 1. Server. Definition. A server is a computer that provides data to other computers. In the context of web development, a server hosts the web application and handles requests from clients, usually web browsers. Types of servers. Web servers serve web pages to clients, e.g., Apache Nginx. Application servers run specific applications, e.g., Node.js, Django. Database servers store and manage data, e.g., MySQL, PostgreSQL. 2. Database. Definition. A database is a structured collection of data that can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. Types. Relational databases, SQL. Use tables to store data, and SQL, structured query language for querying, e.g., MySQL, PostgreSQL. NoSQL databases use various data models like key-value pairs, documents, or graphs, e.g., MongoDB, Cassandra. 3. Server-side languages. Definition. Programming languages used to build the back-end logic of a web application. Common languages. JavaScript, Node.js, popular for its asynchronous capabilities. Python, known for its readability and frameworks like Django and Flask. Java, robust and widely used in large-scale applications. Ruby, known for its elegant syntax and the Ruby on Rails framework. PHP, widely used for web development, e.g. WordPress. 4.4 frameworks. Definition. Libraries that provide pre-written code to streamline development. Popular backend frameworks, Express.js, minimalist framework for Node.js. Django, Python, high-level framework that emphasizes rapid development. Spring Java, comprehensive framework for enterprise-level applications. Ruby on Rails, Ruby, known for its convention over configuration philosophy. Laravel, PHP, elegant framework with expressive syntax. 5. APIs, application programming interfaces. Definition, sets of rules that allow different software entities to communicate. Types, REST, representational state transfer, web services that use HTTP requests. GraphQL, a query language for APIs that allows clients to request specific data. 6. Authentication and authorization. Authentication, verifying the identity of a user, e.g. login systems. Authorization, determining what an authenticated user is allowed to do, e.g. access control. 7. Middleware. Definition, software that lies between the client and server, processing requests before they reach the server. Examples, logging, recording request details. Authentication, checking user credentials. Error handling, managing errors that occur during request processing. 8. Data storage and retrieval. CRUD operations, basic operations for managing data. Create, adding new data. Read, retrieving data. Update, modifying existing data. Delete, removing data. 9. WebSockets. Definition, protocols that provide full duplex communication channels over a single TCP connection, enabling real-time data exchange, e.g. live chat applications. 10. Deployment. Definition, process of making a web application available to users. Steps, hosting, renting server space, e.g. AWS, Heroku, DigitalOcean. CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous deployment, automated processes for testing and deploying code. Containerization, packaging an application and its dependencies in a container, e.g. Docker. 11. Security, best practices, encryption, protecting data through encoding, e.g. HTTPS. Sanitization, cleaning user input to prevent injection attacks. Regular updates, keeping software up to date to mitigate vulnerabilities. Workflow of a backend web developer. 1. Understanding requirements, collaborating with stakeholders to gather and understand project requirements. 2. Designing the architecture, planning the structure of the application, including databases, APIs, and server setup. 3. Writing code, developing server-side logic, APIs, and database interactions. 4. Testing, ensuring the application works as intended through unit tests, integration tests, and user acceptance tests. 5. Deployment, making the application live and accessible to users. 6. Maintenance, monitoring and updating the application to fix bugs, add features, and improve performance. Tools and technologies, version control systems, Git, GitHub, GitLab, database management tools, MySQL Workbench, pgadmin, MongoDB Compass, Development environments, VS Code, IntelliJ IDEA, PyCharm. APIs and tools for testing, Postman, Swagger, Insomnia. CI/CD tools, Jenkins, Travis CI have GitHub Actions. Containerization, Docker, Kubernetes. Real-world use cases, e-commerce sites, handling transactions, managing inventory, and user authentication. Social media platforms, storing user data, managing posts and interactions. Online banking, securely processing financial transactions and storing sensitive information. Content management systems, CMS, managing and delivering website content. Backend web development is crucial for creating robust, scalable, and secure web applications. By understanding and mastering the various components and tools involved, developers can ensure their applications provide a seamless and efficient user experience.